In this video, we are going to see the concept of the reference market. This is going to be the index of the video. First, we will see what a traditional market is. Then we will explain the reference market. Then the difference between industry versus reference market. And finally, I will explain the product market. When thinking about the traditional market, obviously is what you all have in mind right now. The traditional market is a place where the buyers looking for a specific product go to buy this kind of product. However, with this definition, there is something very important missing. What happens with the needs? In marketing, the most important thing is that buyers purchase things because they want to satisfy one of their needs. However, when thinking about the reference market, we have to think of three different axes. The first one should be the needs that we want to satisfy. The second one, the customers, the different groups of customers that we are going to satisfy. And finally, the different alternative technologies that will satisfy the needs of those different kind of customers. For instance, if we think of the need transport of goods, we can think of three different kinds of customers. The first customer would be the final customer, an individual. The second kind could be companies, enterprises, anyone who needs it for their production. And finally, we should have a public customer. Regarding the different technologies that could satisfy the need of transfer of goods, we can think of a truck, for instance, also a cargo ship, a van, a delivery van, or even a plane. All of them would satisfy this kind of need, and some of them would be valid for the final customer and some others, for instance, for the industry. The concept of industry may look very similar to the reference market, but there are some differences. In the industry, we consider that there is only one technological alternative. This technological alternative will be or will try to be enough to satisfy every customer and every need that they might have. And this is the difference with the reference market. In the reference market, we only have one need to be satisfied, and then we can choose whatever technological alternative there is and for every customer. Finally, we have the concept of the product market. The product market is just the cross of one need to be satisfied for just a particular customer and only considering one alternative technology. That's the product market. So, the product market in our previous example, where we had the need of transport of goods, could consist on just a technological alternative. In this case, it should be the truck, for instance. And if we have to choose just one customer to be satisfied, we could choose, in this case, the companies. And this is all about the reference market. Thank you for watching.